In this lesson, we are going to look on Fermat's principle, and specifically we are going to look on the second law of reflection by Fermat's principle. So here is the diagram. The ray of light is incident at point O. This is the mirror, MM. This is our mirror. Then it is reflected to this part to point B. So the distance from this point to this point is D, and the distance from point A to this point is X. Let this point be M. So the distance from point A to M is X, and the distance from M to B will be taking the whole distance D minus X. So you get this. This is D minus X. So here we have this let it be A, then this will be B. So also let this angle of incidence be theta, and let this be theta 1. From our knowledge, speed is equals to distance over time. So it means that time will be distance over speed. But here our speed will be represented as c, the speed of light above this medium. So we shall use the symbol c to represent the speed of light. So from that point, we can take T1 is equals to AO over C, and T2 is equals to OB over C. This is right from our diagram here. The distance AO, and OB. So we continue. So T1 plus T2 is equal to AO plus OB over C. This will be our total time. So here, from Pythagoras theorem, from our diagram, we can deduce that AO is given by A squared plus X squared. Then OB is given by B squared plus D minus X squared. Then square root. So this is from our knowledge of Pythagoras theorem from this diagram. You see, this is a right angle triangle. So we use this to find this distance. So we have this distance A, and we have this X. So this will be like our height. This will like be our base. So to get this one, it means with X squared plus B squared is equals to D squared. So to find this one, we find the square root of X squared plus B A squared. So also this distance here is B. So to find this distance, it will mean that B squared plus D minus X squared is equals to this squared, this OB squared. So to find OB, it means the square root of B squared plus D minus X squared. So it is right like that. So from that point, then we continue. So our T will be square root of A squared plus X squared plus square root of B squared plus D into D minus X squared, then over C. Therefore, to find the minimum time, since the Fermat's principle or the principle of least time says that the light chooses the path that takes the shortest time. So therefore, the minimum travel time is obtained by finding dt over dx. This just simply means differentiating, where it is equal to 0. So it means that dt over dx equals to 0 is equals to 1 over c. We are now differentiating this equation. So it's equals to 1 over c, then x times 2 times 1 into 2 square root of x squared plus x squared plus 1 times 2 times into d minus x times -1 over 2 into square root of b squared plus d minus x squared. We are just differentiating this equation. So 1 over c is equal to x into a squared square root of a squared plus x squared minus into d minus x over square root of b squared plus d into d minus x squared. So from here we can, from this point, we've divided two, this and this cancels, this and this cancel, so that we come up with this one. So from this point, we can take this to go in the other side. So it means that x squared over a in square root of a squared plus x squared is equals to d minus x over square root of b squared plus into d minus x squared. So from this from our diagram x over a square root of a squared plus x squared, x over square root of over this. Now remember, a squared x plus x squared square root is AOB, is AO. So it means that x over AO is given by sine theta. And also d minus x over this OB is given by sine theta 1. This just simply means that way. So it means that here x over a squared plus x squared square root, then d minus is equals to d minus x into square root of b squared plus d minus x squared is just simply that x over square root of a squared plus x squared is given by sine theta, and d minus x over square root of b squared plus d minus x squared is given by sine theta 1. Hence sine theta is equal to sine theta 1, and this is the second law of reflection. Thank you for watching the video. I want to believe you understood it. Welcome.